Words of Japanese Satori from Raphael Works. How to stop the pendulum of your mind. I used to always worry about what had happened and what would happen. I was negative and anxious about my past and my future. My mind was like a pendulum, swinging every time something happened. When a dramatic event occurs, when you feel anxious about the future, when someone praises you or scolds you, the pendulum of your mind swings according to the data of your past. Of course, the way it swings and the degree and duration of the swinging vary from event to event, from big to small. What's the cause? It's the ego's thoughts that judge the event. Thoughts are regarded as magical tools to protect you. That's because they give you certain answers, like 1 + 1 = 2, and then they convince you and calm your mind. But since this world is dualistic, they are also a tool that makes the pendulum of your mind swing. Peace of mind and anxiety are two sides of the same coin, and the ego always makes your pendulum swing to and fro. The reason is that when the mind is silent, your ego cannot exist. The ego is always watching to make sure that you are not in a state of no thinking or mindlessness. This is how the ego makes you find answers that are convincing. Why does the ego seek to convince you? Because it doesn't want you to become aware of the source. If you have no mind, you are connected to the source. You might have already recognized it, but if you find answers to happenings, you will definitely see them and judge them from a positive or negative side by using your mind, which may make you convinced at the moment. But when the same problem comes up again in a different form, you are troubled again and try to find an answer. It's like a Mobius strip. Then the ego says, "Ha ha ha, I caught you. You are stuck again." And then the ego tries to convince you and makes you give answers in the same way as you did before. This is the ego's trap. So how can you avoid this ego's trap? By simply looking at the phenomena without giving satisfactory answers. Yes, the answer is simple. Let the source do it. So just leave it to the source, the magic spirit. In the beginning, you may be tempted to solve the problem with your mind. But as you realize that this world operates according to the program, that temptation will decrease. And with this realization, the pendulum of your mind stops swinging. And as you become more aware, even if the pendulum starts swinging, it will swing less and less, or it may even stop for a short time. Please try to let the source take care of everything and try not to give answers. I'm sure that a wonderful answer will naturally come to you through some medium from the source.